Time passes within these sacred walls. With each year, Sonam and Lobsang's renown grows. Their wisdom a guiding light for enlightenment's path. With humility, Sonam and Lobsang receive seekers of truth. They offer sage advice, guiding seekers towards tranquility and spiritual depth. Sonam and Lobsang weave traditional Buddhist teachings into modern narratives. Their discussions are a fusion of past and present. They partake in community discussions, sharing insights personally. Plans unfurl for events demystifying Buddhism for the curious public. Sonam takes a seat, the ambient murmurs subside. He articulates compassion's core, holding the attention of every dignitary. Lobsang elucidates the universal application of Buddhist principles. Under the vivid prayer flags, Sonam and Lobsang, with animated expressions, share stories. The duo breaks down intricate ideas into comprehensible practices. Audience members, inspired, nod and contemplate, motivated by Sonam and Lobsang's experiences. As they advanced in years, Sonam and Lobsang never lost their vivacity. Continuing to inspire, they teach resilience and compassion to their students and the wider community. Sonam and Lobsang's lives reflect a timeless lesson that resonates outside the monastery.